Hello, good afternoon. This is Alex from Internet Well Secret. Right? Happy New Year! And today I would like to actually share with you one of these info product from these vendors. It's called one of these top internet marketer. His name is called James. So on the picture here is James, right? Right. So what exactly is this? The product is called Breakout Code 2.0. Previously, I think last year he did this same product is called the Breakout Code 1.0. It was the original version of this product, right? So this 2.0 actually is a defined upgrade version of this Breakout Code, and it has a new and improved content in terms of the training video and some improved data content you're going to share with you under this Breakout Code 2.0, right? So it was stated here, one click a blast of 1432 1432 straight into your account, right? So this Breakout Code actually is a way how you can actually use solo app traffic to actually to promote any affiliate or digital product, and Jim is able to make 58K per month, and you can replicate the same method or same secret just using your just within the 20 minutes, right? By actually going through these training courses, right? Okay, so this is a newly friendly, and it will work like a champ in 2020, and it's going to be working this new year as well. Right? No making video required. There's no need to make any TV video. Just step-by-step video training exposing the entire process. So this is a whole complete video training course explaining to you the process, like some case study, how it actually is able to make 58K, right, by using this traffic method, right? So this some of this testimonial of sales testimonial you can actually see from this screen, the sales picture. So this is Mark and James, and James is Mark's partner actually, right? So I will actually go through every single detail about this sales page, right? But today what I would like to share with you is more of today if you pick up this breakout code, the front end. I think it's just 12.95. You pick up this product via my link below this video. What kind of bonus I'm going to offer to you, right? Right. So just take a look at my super insane and special bonus, right? Okay, this bonus I've actually specially prepared for this launch of this breakout code, right? 2.0, right? Okay. So there's a timer here, right? This offer is until 12 a.m. EXT on Tuesday, January 12, right? Okay, so this is my insane bonus bundle. One click and blast of 1432 straight into your account, right? Okay, let's quickly take a look at what is breakout code, right? Okay, and what are the offer here in terms of the front end and upsell. Right, first thing first, the front end is a 12.95 only, so you can have access to the powerful breakout code software and the training module. Okay, so there is a software and training module inside this breakout code, right? Okay, just for 12.95 you are going to access all this, right? Okay, just I think this is such a draw price, right? Okay, so before the price increase, quickly get this early bird price, right? So there are some upsell here, cash on demand, right? And also some other plan for new package. If you can afford, I strongly suggest you to pick up a DFI package, right? You can pick up in a circle, a couple of OTO. We can also read through here all this what is inside this OTO, but these are not branded, right? 12.95 you're going to get a complete training course, right? End to end, step by step, right? Also the software, right? Okay, let's quickly take a look at what kind of bonus I'm offering you here. Okay, I think you can actually shop around. We can actually check around some others review video about this Breakout Code 2.0. No one is able to offer to you this kind of bonuses, right? All right. First thing first, I'm offering you my own product, DIY money list, right? I'm offering you as part of the bonus 50k make money online subscriber, the list of the 50k make online subscriber, which you can log into your autoresponder and start promoting the affiliate offer to the list and make sales, right? Okay, so you can actually use my list to make any sales or any affiliate product, any digital product you can promote to the list. This is the first bonus, right? Okay. The second bonus I'm going to offer to you here is my INPLR work, my new product launch on Watercraft. I'm going to launch the product soon in January or February, but I'm giving you access, lifetime access to the unlimited PLR video course. There are, I think, totals currently there are 6,000 video course and ebook are inside this portal. You can actually access. I'm giving you the access to this portal to download all these PLRs, video course and ebook at your own pace, anytime, anywhere you want, right? You can download and make use of the PLR. You can rebrand it, you can resell it, you can give away as a bonuses, or you can actually debundle it as part of your new product to be launched. So everything can be done with this PLR work, right? Okay. Next thing is email marketing video training course, right? Okay, so this is a complete video training course teach you A to Z 1 to 100 how to do a proper email marketing, right? All right. Okay, I think inside this James breakout training course is also talking about there's some video about the email training, right? But my email training course is going to complement what James is going to offer inside the member area. I'm going to show you in a short while, right? Next thing is my special bonus from the ultimate image track, right? Okay, okay. The method here is about getting a traffic from solo app, and the traffic is sent to the opt-in page. People opt in, all right. But when people opt in, you still have to follow up to make sales, right? You can when people opt into your list, you still need to have a proper email follow up, and you may be cracking head how to write this email, all right, all the subject killer here, right? Now I'm offering you this as part of the bonuses here. You can make use of my 2,800 make money online email set and 100 killer headline to actually to create the autoresponder sequence, and to also to write you don't have to write your own email content. You don't have to write your own email subject line. You can make use of my bundle, my bonuses of this email straight from and 100 keyword headline to actually to make the email. Okay, to write the email, just modify from this email content and the headline. So that is a fantastic part. The high quality bonuses I'm giving to you here is going to complement everything is going to be taught under the breakout code, right? Okay. So next thing is the secret how to send bulk email using Gmail. Many of you are aware Gmail have the ability to send 100 free email, okay, to any email addresses, right? You put inside the address box inside the Gmail, and you can send it for free. And I can tell you the open rate is really high, right? Okay, so you can learn from this free trainings or free video course. Next thing is my CPA profit blueprint. This my previous CPA marketing course I'm also giving you as part of the bonuses, right? So this this is my third product, my own product I'm giving to you as a bonuses, right? Next thing is again 200 special bonus giveaway. All right. Okay, in this bonus in this special bonus bundle, you are going to get close to 200 special bonus who have the make money online video training course, ebook tools, app, software, plugin. Everything is bundled under this new collection, right? Alright, there's active video training course from previous training course from the top internet marketer is also bundled under this 200 special bonus giveaway. And everything I'm giving you away as part of the bonuses, right? On top of the many bonuses I'm also already giving to you on the top of this bonus page, right? The story lesson and there, right? You can click the link here to have a better review of the bonuses, right? Again, I'm also have the luxury to get some bonuses from John Armstrong. John Armstrong is already top 7-figure internet marketer, right? He's making uh, he's making few thousands, few hundred thousand per month as an affiliate marketer, right? Okay, so today I have a luxury to get this bonus high quality tutorial from him. First thing first is the secret Neuralex of the top converting traffic. Okay, so this is a secret how you can actually the list of the solo ad traffic vendor. You can actually refer to the list here, so you can make a decision who you want to buy the solo ad traffic. Okay, the next one is the best solo ad cost of all time, right? This is another solo ad cost specifically from Jono Armstrong, which I'm also give you as part of the bonuses here, right? Okay, the third one is how to maximize your traffic with retargeting. So when people visitor come to your opt-in page, how you can actually retarget back the people who have visited your page. So these people can be used for you to promote other products. Like, so this is called the targeting, right? I think Jono have a really good idea, tips or how to actually do a retargeting, right? So this is part of the bonuses here, right? Okay, against the next one is this is a very special all-in-one email software for Jono Armstrong, right? I'm giving you as part of the bonus here, right? All right, okay. So you don't have to actually purchase a separate auto exponent. If you are newbie in the industry, you can actually make use of this all-in-one email software, right? From this is custom made by Jono Armstrong, right? Okay. The next thing is the last thing is a special bonuses. All these vendor bonuses, right? From Breakout Code, the vendor James, and they are going to give you all these vendor bonuses. So all these bonuses I'm showing you here in this bonus page, just beside this, below this video, is going to cost you just only $12.95. With just a $12.95, you are getting all these bonuses here in images. You are getting tweet on my own product, right? You are getting tons of others bonuses. I'm showing you here. Email marketing cost, right? The email short file collection, the 100 headline, and tips how to send the bulk email for Gmail. All right, okay. My CPA marketing cost and my others 200 very special bonus giveaway collection. On top of that, there's some other special bonus from John Armstrong I'm giving you as part of this whole bonus bundle. Everything you're going to get is with $12.95. So what loss we are no what I what a loss we are not making the decision today to get this breakout code just below the link below this video. I'm sure this is going to give you a lot of benefit, all these bonuses, but together with the training cost from James is going to give you a huge benefit to help you to grow your online business, right? So before I end today's presentation, sharing about breakout course, let me quickly show you the member area. Okay, so when you purchase a breakout code, you're going to come to this member area. So in this member area, you can see there are very modules. Here are some of the content of the course here. Okay, first thing first, James and his partner is going to show you the affiliate breakout. Okay, next thing is a breakout funnel, and also the third thing is an email cast breakout. The fourth thing is a breakout traffic. So all this is we're going to get inside this member area under this training module, right? So this is about the content in this member area. I hope now you have a clear view, clear picture. How is the contents of this breakout code, right? Together also you are getting this breakout code, all this step-by-step training course from James and his partner, together with all my huge bonus collection I just showed you just a couple minutes ago. So here I recap. This is all you're going to get: the breakout code, the step-by-step training, and all these bonuses are inside my bonus page here. So without hesitation, click the link below this video, and you're going to come to this bonus page. Click any of the yellow button here, and you are going to when you click any of the yellow button, you are going to come to this sales page. So inside the sales page, click on the buttons here, and you are going to grab this breakout code, the full set of training plus my bonuses plus the vendor bonuses all together for $12.95 only, and this price is only for today, right before the price increase. Thanks a lot for your for watching my review video about Breakout Code. I hope you can actually jump on this special early bird price. Right? Thank you.